are you?
Oh, good. Thank you.
It's good seeing you again. Yeah, how's VMworld going so far for you?
Yeah, it's great. So this morning, especially in the keynote, it was very impressive to see that now really hybrid cloud is on the horizon and fully integrated with on-prem and off-prem. And for me, my personal highlight was NSX. So that NSX is now playing a real major role to implement all those infrastructures into the cloud and back from the cloud, and a lot of automation. So that's really great to see.
Good, good. Hey, so I'm walking around VMworld today, and I see a lot of HCI solutions.
Yes.
Can you tell me what you guys are working on that's new, exciting on vSAN HCI?
Yeah. So on one hand, we are introducing Infrastructure Manager, not only for vSAN, so more in the direction of vSphere. And for vSAN, we have introduced the one-click update.
Oh.
And this allows, and this is also a differentiator, by the way, and this allows customers doing the update and never leave the path of being compliant to the hardware compatibility list. So that means all the hardware, the firmware, etc., will be updated. At the same point in time, the VMware software will be updated. Always you're in the area of being on the hardware compatibility list. So that means even if something going wrong, there's support, and that's a very important topic. And at the same point in time, when you're running very sensitive environments, let's assume pharmaceutical industry, so there is by law not allowed to run always the latest versions, etc., because you have to validate that everything is working. It's so sensitive. And this is what we can ensure with our database, which is used for those updates. And this is pretty cool for customers. We have a lot of customers in the meantime using that technology.
You make it very simple for them to use, right?
Yeah, absolutely, one click.
So one of the things that we're looking at today is different use cases from the edge to the core to the cloud. I'm sure you guys are on all three of them.
Yeah.
Can you share maybe some of your vision and some of what you're seeing as far as traction with our customers today?
Yeah, absolutely. So Pat Gelsinger in the last keynote 2017, so 1 year ago, was demonstrating the use case that we had together with Toyota and IoT pools, and how to bring the connection from the data center to the car, which gives a great value to the customer. And we see very great traction in terms of IoT. So because it doesn't care, you don't care as a customer if this is a car, if this is a machine, if this is a wearable device, whatever, you can connect it with IoT pools. And this is a complete new business model, so that now the IoT, in the past it was just a cost center, as you know, everything has to be cheap. And now you can really create value for the business by connecting the data center with the products that you are producing to do all those firmware updates, reading status information, and improve the business. So that's great. And this is where we see a lot of traction on where we're working on.
Good, good. I mean, I appreciate your partnership.
Yeah.
We are appreciate your partnership. And, maybe you can share a little bit today with some of our customers
of
how
course.
well our partnership has worked together.
Yeah. So, as you know, we were the second OEM signing the contract with VMware. And we are working very closely with you. We are supporting all the platforms and products that VMware has on the market. So what you can see when you have a look as an example on the vMark, we are working very closely. When we are developing new hardware, you're developing the new software, those developers, they are talking together. And when you have a look on the vMark, the benchmark, I think in the older one, the vMark 2, we have 9 of 10 positions on the first, of course. And in the new vMark 3, we are leading. So and this is really great. And at the same point in time, we have the lowest amount of energy that you need to run our service. So this is a good climate saver as well, reducing your footprint in terms of CO2. And that's what we see also as a result, of course, and developing all those new products. Unfortunately, where we cannot talk about this, but in autumn this year, there will be something coming out, and I think this will be very interesting for the audience.
Look forward to that. So, hey, I hope you enjoy the rest of your show.
Thank you.
Thank you to Udo, and have a good week.
Yeah,
Thanks.
You too. Thank you.